Mississippi, she's calling my name. Catfish are jumping, that paddle will thumping. Blackwater keeps rolling on past just the same. Oh, Blackwater, keep on rolling. Mississippi, won't you keep on shining? Oh, Blackwater, keep on rolling. Mississippi, won't you keep on shining? Oh, Blackwater, keep on rolling. Mississippi, won't you keep on shining on me? Keep on shining your light. Gonna make everything pretty, mama. Gonna make everything alright. And I ain't got no worry, ain't in no hurry at all. Well, if it rains, I don't care, don't make no difference to me. Just take that streetcar, what's going uptown? I like to hear some funky Dixieland and dance a honky tonk. And I'll be buying everybody drinks all around. Oh, Blackwater, keep on shining. Mississippi, won't you keep on shining? Oh, Blackwater, keep on rolling. Mississippi, won't you keep on shining? Oh, Blackwater, keep on rolling. Mississippi, won't you keep on shining on me? Keep on shining your light. Hey, make everything pretty, mama. Gonna make everything alright. And I ain't got no worry, ain't in no hurry at I'd like to hear some funky Dixieland, Betty mama, come take me by the hand, by the hand, take me by the hand, pretty mama, can dance with you all night long. I'd like to hear some funky Dixieland, Betty mama, gonna take me by the hand, take me by the hand, pretty mama, come dance with daddy all night long. Some funky Dixieland, mama, gonna take me by the hand, take me by the hand, pretty mama, come and dance with me all night long. I'd like to get some funky Dixieland, Betty mama, gonna take me by the hand, take me by the hand, pretty mama.
Thanks, guys. Wow, so good. Always so good. Thank you. Thank you. Listen, welcome. Here we are, episode 9. Something really simple. We're going to cook something that doesn't cost anything. Well, not much. And tastes fantastic. And really easy. Baked potato bolognese. So I've just got everything set out. It's all pretty simple. The good old packet of lean mince. 3 cheese, which is grated for later. Mixed herbs, the half a glass of white wine, a jar of tomato stuff, bit of beef stock, 1 onion, a little green chili, 1 real tomato, a couple of really nice potatoes, and a little bit of parsley, some carrot, some celery, and that's all we need. First step we've got to do, we've got to get our potatoes ready to put in the oven because they take about an hour. Give them a bit of a, watch your fingers, just a little bit of a on each side, a couple little, whoop, another one, fingers out of the way, that's it. A little bit of olive oil spray, just in a little baking dish here, baking paper, potatoes in. If you give them a spray, they've got a really nice brown, they come out really cool. Now they go in the oven's on 200, and they'll take about an hour. But it's good to check with something, like a skewer of some sort to make sure that they're not overcooked. Okay, next step. It's a really good idea to get everything prepared before you start. So it's really good to chop everything up, get it all ready. Here we go, we chopped up everything, celery, carrot, onion, garlic. We've got tomatoes and we've got some chili on the side. And we've got our little meat going on here. We've got our bolognese sauce. Okay, here we are over the hot plate. We'll just put in your garlic, and I've done quite a bit of garlic, little bits of carrot, a bit of celery, soften that all up. I've got this fantastic herbal mix. This is so good. I've got to put a little bit in. Who knows I've got my glasses on, but that's just work safety, you know, working over the oven top. Yeah. Let's do the mince, having said that. Little bits in there. Just chop these all up. So what I might do is, when I've rounded up, I'll come back to you. I don't know, maybe George wants us to play a tune. I'll have to ask him.
Well, I don't know what came in tonight. I got a feeling something ain't right. I'm so scared in case I fall off my chair. Wondering I won't get down the stairs. I got clowns to the left of me, joking to the right. Here I am, stuck in the middle with you. Oh, I'm stuck in the middle with you. And I'm wondering what it is I can do. It's so hard to keep a smile on my face. Losing control, yeah, I'm all over the place. I said clowns to the left of me, joking to the right. Here I am, stuck in the middle with you. Well, you started out with nothing, young, fat, self-made man. And your friends do come crawling, tap you on the back and go, please, please. Well, I'm trying to make some sense of it all, but I can see it make no sense at all. Is it cool to go to sleep on the floor? Well, I don't think I can think anymore. I got clowns to the left and dogs to the right. Here I am, stuck in the middle with you. Well, you started out with nothing, proud to be a self-made man. And your family on them come, slap you on the back and go, please, please, yeah. Stuck in the middle with you. Stuck in the middle with you.
Now that we're back, we've browned off the mince. It's looking really good. I'm going to put in the little bits of tomato, a little bit of chili, bit of wine, a little bit of brown sugar. That wine is just starting to reduce now. And here we have it. Now let's stir that in. As it probably needs a bit of salt and pepper. Salt. Beautiful. I mean, it's so simple, isn't it? Really, you know, we all know how to make it. There we go. We're just going to let that simmer away on low heat for a while. Let it just sort of reduce. Okay, as you can see, we've got the potatoes out. Nice and brown skin, yummy. They're nice and soft in the middle. And this is just looking fantastic. And it's just the right texture, I think. Okay, these are still really quite hot, so I just got to cut down there and squeeze them like that. They're gorgeous. Bolognese. Look at that. And a little bit of parsley. And 3 cheeses, just a little bit of parmesan, a bit of mozzarella, just a little bit on top. There we have it, baked potato bolognese. There you go. You'll have fun cooking that, it's fun. And it tastes fantastic, you're gonna love it. So thanks for hanging in with us, and we'll see you again soon. Probably play a tune, I think.
If you leave me, baby, say you want me back, that would be the end of me, 'cause I would have a heart attack. You better get some insurance on me, baby. Take out some insurance on me, baby, 'cause if we ever learn to say goodbye, I'll crawl right off and die. Darling, I will love you as long as I got breath. If we part, I know, sweetheart, gonna worry me to death. You better get some insurance on me, baby. Take out some insurance on me, baby, 'cause if we ever learn to say goodbye, I'll go right off and die. Don't get sad, no matter then, I'm as healthy as can be. If you got any sense, you take my hand, 'cause you rely out on me. You don't know me, baby, like I know myself. I couldn't let the future give love me to someone else. Get some insurance on me, baby. Take out some insurance on me, baby, 'cause if we ever learn to say goodbye, I'm gonna crawl right off and die. Don't get sad,